Divya. Okay, fine. Divya, can we substitute anything in place of, if you see the question carefully, it is x cot y plus ln cos x, right? Matlab
Yes,
natural
sir.
log cos x. So can I say, before jumping into the question, what is the differential, one second. Yeah. What would be the d by dx of log sin y?
Sir, 1 by sin y times cos x, that will be cot x, cot y, sorry, times y dash.
1 by sin y
Sin y
into
cos y
cos y
times y dash.
into dy by dx.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is what we get. And what is the differentiation of log cos x?
Sir, minus uh, minus tan x. Yes, sir.
Minus tan x, right? Minus tan x. So in our question, so if you see clearly, so can I write the, what is our question given? It is x into cot y into dy plus ln, okay, ln sin y into dx I can write. Hello? Can I write like
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes, sir.
Plus, no, minus y tan x into dx I can write, minus ln cos dy. Can I write it like this?
Yes, sir.
So basically what I want to do here is like, mm, एक second, let me clear off this stuff. I'm just getting confused. So now tell me one thing, what will be the d by dx of x into log sin y? Divya, can you tell me what will be the derivative of x into log sin y?
Yes, sir. Sir, by applying UV rule, we will get x into differentiation of log sin y, that is 1 upon sin y, and that x cot y, plus log sin y.
Okay, ln sin y. Right. Hello. Ln sin y. So this is will be our dy by dx, right? Hello. So this, the whole thing I can write. So d times of x into log sin y is equals to x into cot y plus ln sin y into dy, sorry, dx. Can I write like
Yes, sir.
this?
Yes, sir.
And similarly, what will be the d by dy of um, y log cos x? What will be the y log
Sir,
cos x?
minus y tan x plus
Minus y tan x. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Fine. Let me explain it. I will just solve it easily. Fine. So, so what basically what I want to do it here is like I so x into cot y plus into dy plus ln cos x into dy plus ln sin y into dx minus y tan x into dx equals to 0. Can I write like this?
yes, sir.
So now what I'm doing is I'm taking all the dy's, sorry, so cot y into this together. So that is x times cot y into dy plus ln into sin y I can write. Hello, can I write like this? Sin y
Yes,
into
sir.
dx. So now this whole thing, if I clearly observe, can I write it as d times of x times log sin y? Can I write it like this or not?
Yes, sir, we can write it.
And now, can I write it like this now? In the previous question you were asking, like previously you were asking cot y into x cot y into dy by dx, right? So that dx would be cancelled, so I could write it like this. So similarly, the next terms, that is plus d times of y times log cos x I can write, which is equals to 0. Divya, can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
So now, so our half of the part is done. So basically, whatever is the given question, we convert it into this term. So now, if I integrate this with respect to x, so d times of x into log sin y into dx plus d times integral. If I integrate both the sides with integral y log cos x into dx equals to 0. So now what happens? So I can write this as x into log sin y plus y into log cos x equals to 0. Sorry, as we are integrating on both sides, integral 0 is c. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
So now, can I write it as log sin y whole raised to x plus log cos x whole raised to y equals to c?
सर होल नहीं
Oh, sorry,
आएगा.
sorry. इसको आएगा, not the whole.
Yes.
So now, can we write like this? This implies. So now I can write it as log AB now. Hello? Log sin y whole raised to x into cos y, sorry, cos x whole raised to y.
Yes, sir.
तो इसके बाद हम क्या कर सकते हैं? What can we say? Which is
Sir,
equals to
taking
c.
e as base.
So sin y whole raised to x into cos x whole raised to y equals to e raised to c. So e raised to c is nothing but just a constant, so I'll be replacing with c. So sin y whole raised to x into cos x whole raised to y equals to c. So what's the option? Option 1, right?
No, sir, C. Free option. No, one. Okay.
Here it is sin y, right?
Sin y power x. Cos x power. Sir, option 2.
Sin y
Sin
whole
के
raised
साथ
to
y
x.
लगा है ना.
That's option 2. Sin y whole raised to x and cos x whole raised to y equals to constant. So that's option 2. I hope it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
मतलब इसमें ट्रिक है कि how can we convert into this form? So this is the whole trick. अगर ये समझ में आया, it is just a matter of like solving fastly. Okay. Next question. Can you read the question?
If fx be such that fx is equal to maximum of mod of 2 minus x or 2 minus x whole cube, where x belongs to all real.
So how do you solve such questions? Options देख के तो हम बता सकते हैं whether it is discontinuous at one point, disdifferentiable, non-differentiable at one point, or non-differentiable at 4 points. So how can we say this?
Sir, first we'll find the value where which functions become maxima, which function become maxima and which becomes and then accordingly we can find on the discontinuity point, which is mainly in these kind of questions. It's mainly the point where we change from one function to the other for maxima.
Yes, yes. So should I give some time to solve, or should I solve it? Divya?
So we can solve it.
Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes of time. Please solve this. If you're not able to solve, I'll explain it.
Sure.
And Pranav and Ruben, if you guys could speak, it would be easy for me to discuss the question and answers. Try to rectify your mic if it's possible now. Otherwise, it's okay. You can text it on the this thing. Because once the discussion starts, it will be easy for you to grasp the questions and you can understand much more better.
Sir, fourth option.
Can you explain how?
Sir, actually, I found out the point where we are switching on the functions, and by hit and trial, I just found out that x equal to -1, we are getting the same values in both the functions. So
Okay.
similarly, at x equal to 0 and at x equal to 1, we are getting the same value for both the given function. We cannot take out the maxima, thus the function becomes non-differentiable.
Good. सही है. So basically, these questions, yeah, trial and error, ठीक है, कर सकते हैं. But the point is like these kind of questions, ना, first we need to draw the graphs for each of the questions. So if you clearly see on the screen, so ये जो graph है, what is this? So if you clearly see, this is the graph. What is this graph? Modulus of 2 minus x, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Modulus of 2 minus x. So this is the graph of 2 minus x, because whatever is the negative that comes up into the positive. And if you clearly observe, what is the other graph? 2 minus x cube. तो इसका graph कैसे रहता है? It will be something looking like this, right? तो ये जो ऊपर का maximum का मतलब क्या है? Where these two are intersecting, we need to find the maximum values of the graph. So if you clearly observe, so what is the maximum graph? So this is the graph we want to find. So the black part is the graph that we are interested in. Hello. So at what, where does the, what we say, when can we say when two graphs are intersecting, and at which points we can say that the graph is not differentiable or the function is not differentiable? Where are the points? When there are sharp points, we can say that the function is not differentiable at the sharp points, right? So how many
Yes,
sharp points we have in this graph?
one, two.
Four sharp points, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, f of x is not differentiable at 4 points. And can you tell me whether it is continuous or not?
Sir, it is continuous because there is no break in the
No
graph.
breakage in the graph. So we can say it is continuous in the graph. Okay. अगर मान लो in the first option, in the option itself, let's say for example, अगर इसमें ये हटा दिया, whether it is continuous or not, this हटा दिया. So can we say is f of x is continuous at 1 point? No, right? It is
No, sir.
continuous. It is
At all.
continuous at all points, right?
Yes.
So I hope I'm clear with this question. Milind, Pranav, and Ruben. Uh, how do we solve? Yeah. Milind, is your mic working?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's move to the next question. Okay. If the range of f of x is open interval closed p, then what is the value of a plus b? So how do we solve when such kind of a question is given first? Milind, can you tell me?
First, we find the solution of denominator.
Okay. Okay. Then
Uh, don't know, sir.
no, no. Divya, any idea?
Sir, for finding the range, there is always different methods for different functions. Sir, for this function, I'm not having any such idea, so I will go with traditional method, that is putting it equal to y, then forming. In this case, it will be a biquadratic and then solving it.
Okay. That's a lengthiest process, right?
Yes, sir, means
First,
last option.
let's assume, okay, fine. The function is given, whether it is a proper function or an improper function. The fraction, sorry, not a function, fraction. Is it a proper or an improper fraction? Whenever you have a fraction, right? So the first thing is like, okay, we can say the denominator to find the domain and then the range we need to do. So can you tell me whether it is a proper or an improper fraction?
Sir, it is a proper fraction because the maximum powers are equal. And we can do
Maximum.
the difference, the direct, what we say, division of these functions, and then we can get a number, and then we can easily find range.
Then that would be the easiest approach, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you do that and let me know what's the next step? So
Yes, sir.
basically, इन दोनों को divide करना है. So divide करने के बाद basically the quotient plus remainder upon whatever we divided with. So let's say this is a. So I'm writing it like this. The quotient plus remainder upon a. I'm writing. Can you write like that and let me know what is the quotient, what is the remainder? A is anyways we know that is x power 4 minus 7x square minus 4x plus 23. I'll just give you a couple of minutes. Please solve and let me know.
Sir, we got it. Sir, I got it. It's 2 plus remainder is 3 divided by x power 4 minus 7x square minus 4x plus 23.
Yes. 2 plus
Question
3
is
upon
2 and 3 upon, yes, sir.
minus 4x plus 23, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, so what is the next thing that we can do? So based on this, so what we can get? So here I can consider this as a h of x. Some, hello? If I consider the a as h of x, it will be x raised to 4 minus 7x square minus 4x plus 23. So if I split this by quadratic, so what would be the answer now? Hello? X square. Hello? Can you make it into two quadratics like no?
Sir, but how we'll make it into quadratics?
तो ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं. Let's do. So this is x square the whole square minus 2 times of x square. So here to get 7x, what can we do here? I should have a 7 upon 2, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So 7 upon 2. So I'll be adding 7 upon 2 the whole square minus 7 upon 2 the whole square minus 4x plus 23. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So I can write this as x square minus 7 upon 2 the whole square minus 49 upon 4 minus 4x plus 23. ये तो लंबा जा रहा है ना, जाना नहीं चाहिए. Okay. Anybody has any idea what can we do next? Milind? Milind? Hello?
No idea, sir.
No idea. Pranay? Sorry, Pranav? Okay. So what I'll do is, let's say like this is x raised to 4. तो इसको मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूँ? इसको x square the whole square minus 2x square. I can write, right? Hello? Into 1. So from this plus 23, can I take 1 here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And here I am left with, okay, instead of that, can I make it small? I just got it, 1 second. So now I'll be writing this as 2x square into 4. So I can write plus 16, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if this is 8 the whole square, so what, how much I'm having here? If it is minus 8, I should be have plus x square, right? Plus 16. From this 23, I have taken 16. What is the remaining amount? Plus 5. Hello? Sorry. 4 plus 3, 7, right? Hello?
Plus 7. Yes, sir.
Plus 7. So now I can write this as x square minus 4 the whole square. Right?
Right, sir.
Now this can be written as x square minus 2 times of x into 2. So basically it is 4 plus 3. So I can write this as x minus 2 the whole square plus 3. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So therefore my h of x should be greater than or equals to 3.
Yes, sir.
So therefore what will be the range of what will be the range of h of x? 3 to infinity, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So range of f of x क्या होगा? Open to close 3, right? So this is f of x, right?
Right, sir. Got it.
So 2 and
And
oh,
3.
close 3. So what is the answer?
Yes, sir.
5.
5.
Understood?
यस सर. सर बट फिर हम ये हिट है, मतलब ये कैसे हम बाय
मतलब
क्वाड्रेटिक को बदलेंगे?
बाई क्वाड्रेटिक को मैंने बेसिकली क्या किया कि See, I have 23 here, I have 7 here, right? मैंने just I have applied so here I have 4x, तो इसको मैं इसमें यूज नहीं कर सकता हूँ, right? हेलो,
Right, sir.
तो उसमें कुछ यूज नहीं कर सकता हूँ, तो here to use 4x in the next case, so I should have 1x square, right? हेलो,
Right, sir.
तो बेसिकली मेरे को 2 into x into, तो मेरे को वो 4 चाहिए, तो I have 2, so I should
Okay.
have 4, right?
Yes, sir.
I should have a 4, तो 4 मैं कैसे लेके आता हूँ? So here from 23 if I subtract 4, I'll be having 19, right?
Yes, sir.
So from that 19, so what is the nearest square or nearest value that I could get? 8, right?
16.
16.
Yes, sir.
So 17 नहीं आ सकते, 18 it is impossible, because if I get 18 it will be like
√3 लाना पड़ेगा कहीं से.
अगर so I just took the nearest number that it could match, so perfect square, so I took the 16. Hello,
Got
मतलब
it, sir.
in 19 what is the nearest perfect square I have taken, so from there I got it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So basically इस type of questions में हमको देखना है कि the 4x और इसको हम कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं with the constant. तो अगर वो आ गया then उसका solving easy हो जाएगा. I hope I'm clear with everybody. Ruben, Pranav, Milind, understood?
Yes, sir.
So, next question. Yeah. Let f of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and g be the inverse of it. Here what they are saying, g of x is equals to f inverse of x. Then the area bounded by the curve g of x with the x-axis between 1 and 2. So इसका x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So basically this is x minus 1 the whole cube. So what will be the f inverse of x? Can anybody tell me? Because mera, with the g of x I need to find, right? Can anybody tell me what will be the inverse of the function?
सर fx तो बड़ी देखी हुई क्वेश्चन है, x minus 1 होल क्यूब है fx, तो उसका इनवर्स तो निकल ही जाएगा. नहीं, कौन सी क्वेश्चन है?
Think for a second. Think for a second, समझ में आएगा, बहुत सिंपल सा ही क्वेश्चन है. F of g of x is 1, correct? So Pranav, what do you want to say basically? Pranav? Good. तो कैसे ढूंढेंगे? Okay. So Pranav is saying that we know f of g of x is equals to 1. So with this we can find the g of x is same. So can anybody tell me like how can we find? Anish, can you tell me how do we find this g of x from here?
Sir, I got the gx.
कैसे? What's the answer?
Sir, gx is equal to x minus 2 bracket power 1 by 3 plus 1.
Can you tell me the process of how you have done?
Sir, like I previously mentioned, this is the expansion of x minus 1 whole cube. तो उसमें बट -1 चाहिए होता है, तो मैंने नेट पे उसमें मतलब टोटल में मैंने -2 कर दिया और उधर से +2 कर दिया, तो वहां से y इज इक्वल टू x माइनस 1 होल क्यूब +2 बन गया fx, और फिर उससे gx निकाल लिया, इन्वर्स कर दिया उसका.
Can you repeat?
रिपीट सर. ओके.
Just repeat. Like तो बहुत ज्यादा चल गया.
हाँ
थोड़ा
जी
आराम
सर,
से.
ये वाली क्वेश्चन को सर अगर हम ध्यान से देखें तो खाली +1 की जगह अगर -1 होता तो x माइनस 1 होल क्यूब की एक एक्सपेंशन हो जाती सर, राइट?
So f of x is equals to x minus 1 the whole cube.
होल क्यूब +2 कर दो सर.
Good, correct.
तो यही बन गया, फिर इसका इन्वर्स तो बन ही गया आराम से.
So y is equals to x minus 1 the whole cube plus 2. So y minus 2 the whole power 1 upon 3 is equals to x minus 1. So y minus 2 the whole power 1 upon 3 plus 1 is equals to x. This is what you want to say?
यस सर.
So this is our f inverse. So f inverse of x. So that's it. G
Gx.
inverse of x is equals to
x की टर्म्स में x माइनस 2 कर देंगे,
x minus 2 whole raised to 1 upon 3 plus
+1.
1. So this is our g of x. But so x second. So g of x. Are we getting f of g of x as x? Sorry, Ruben, it's correct. F of g of x is equals to just a second. Yes, Ruben, it's correct. F of g of x is equals to x only. So g of x is equals to x minus 2 whole raised to 1 upon 3 plus 1, correct? So इसके बाद what can we do? Can we plot the graph for this? Hello.
सर ग्राफ काफी गंदा नहीं बन जाएगा?
ठीक है. Suppose if this is our y is equals to x minus 2 whole raised to 1 upon 3 plus 1, right? So where it crosses the x-axis and y-axis, just let's observe, because anyways it's a x power 1 upon 3, right? So graph something, it should look something like this. Hello.
Yes
As
sir.
it is raised to 1 upon 3. So we'll just check where x-axis and y-axis are getting cut. So at y is equals to 0, what is the value of x? Okay.
सर +1.
At y is equals to 0 plus 1.
यस सर. सर वो उधर -1 गया, उसका होल क्यूब -1 रहा, +2 हुआ तो +1 आ गया ना x.
Yes. So y0, x is equals to 1. So somewhere. So this is the point, right? Hello. 1 comma 0.
Yes sir.
And what is the next point with the x-axis? If you substitute x as 0, then what would be the values of y?
सर ये गंदा आ जाएगा.
अगर y is equals to 1 है तो x is equal. So x minus 2 whole raised to 1 upon 3 equals to 0, right? If y is equals to 1. Hello?
Right sir.
So then x is equals to 2.
2.
Hello?
Right sir.
So what is the point we have now? 2 comma 1.
2 comma 1. Yes.
Somewhere here.
Similarly, sir, for y is equal to 2, we can also get x equal to 1.
For
Oh, sorry, x equal to 2, we can get y is equal to 1.
x is equals to 2.
Oh, similar. It's similar.
That's what, right? So this is one single point we can say, and x is equals to graph. अजीब सा आ रहा है. Is the graph correct?
Sir, direct integration
डायरेक्ट कैसे करेंगे वही सोच रहा हूँ मैं फिर.
1/3 पावर है, कैसे करेंगे?
So basically we need a graph. So x is equals to 2 का line क्या होगा? Something like this. 2,0, and x is between x is equals to 1. What would be the graph? 1,0, right? Hello. So but let's get back to this question a bit later. Let's move to the forward. Please do this question. If f of x satisfies the relation f of 5x minus 3y upon 2 is equals to 5 times f of x minus 3 times f of y upon 2 for all belongs to for x comma y belongs to R, f of 0 is equals to 1, f dash of 0 is equals to 2, then the period of sine of f of x is.
Sir, we can put y is equal to 0 and find a relation between fx and f of 5x by 2.
Okay, carry on. Chalo. Let me explain. So basically, if f of x satisfies the relation, so what is the question given? F of 5x minus 3y upon 2 is equals to 5 of f of x minus 3 times f of y upon 2, right? Hello. So
Yes,
now,
sir.
in I can write this as 5x minus 3y upon ये 2 को मैंने 5 minus 3 लिख सकता हूँ.
Right, sir.
Similarly, in the on the RHS also, so I can write it as f of x minus 3 times f of y upon 5 minus 3. Hello.
Yes, sir. वो f dash x के बराबर हो जाएगा
So now
Lagrangians.
मतलब in generally, let's take on a straight lines x1 y1 and x2 y2 if we have a point, and what would be the midpoint here? x comma y अगर मैंने दिया तो x comma y क्या होगा? mx2 plus if it is in the ratio m is to n, then it will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So is it looking something like that? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So now f of x should be a linear equation, right? Hello.
Right, sir.
Can I say f of x will be a linear equation now? Therefore, it should be in the form of ax plus b. And in the question, it's given that f of 0 is what? 1, right? So if f of 0 is 1, what
B equal to 1.
b equals to 1? And what is f dash of 0? 2.
2. So
So
A equal to
a
2.
equals to 2. So what is the line equation now? f of x क्या है?
2x plus 1.
2x plus 1.
1.
So now, can I write? Sorry, this is our linear equation. So what is sine of f of x now? Sine of 2x plus 1.
2x plus 1.
So I hope from here you can find the what we say the period. No? Sin x का period क्या है?
सर sin x का होता है 2 pi.
2 pi. तो इधर कैसा है? So suppose if f of x का period है t, तो f of ax plus b का क्या होगा period? t upon a, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
तो here sin 2x plus 1 है, right?
Right, sir.
तो
Pi आ जाए.
pi आ जाए. So pi is the answer because the period is 2 pi upon here we have 2, so it will be just pi. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Let's move to the next one. Yeah. If sigma k equals to 1 to 12, 12k dot c 12ck dot 11ck minus 1 equals to so and so, then p is equals to. Anybody has any idea how to solve? Divya?
Sir, means we know the basics that we have to form such a equation that they go on cutting each other, but and in this case I got no idea कि कैसे कोई equation बनेगी कि कैसे कोई changes करने से satisfy होगा.
ठीक है. As it's given that sigma k is equals to k running from 1 to 12. 12 times of k multiplied with 12 ck into 11 ck minus 1. Hello?
Right, sir.
So 12 ck, can I write this as, let me take the 12 square, which I can write it as k is equals to 1 to 12. 11 ck minus 1 the whole square. Twelve ck को can I write it as 12 times 11 ck minus 1?
Yes, sir, we can write.
So that's what I have written. And ये जो 12 already है existing, so that 12 square came out. Hello?
Yes, sir. Sir, वो k कहाँ गया?
Sorry, k भी है, sir. I can write it as 12k into 11 dot ck. Hello? Can I write it like this?
Yes, sir.
So basically इसको मैं कैसे लिख रहा हूँ? Let me explain. So now I can write this as 12k into 12 upon k into 11 ck minus 1. I can write 12 ck को, hello, into 11 ck minus 1, which is already there. Hello?
Yes, sir.
K cancel. So this
Cancel.
is 12 square
Came
into
out.
11 ck minus 1 the whole square.
Yes, sir.
So basically I'm applying the sigma k is equals to running from 1 to 12. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
तो इसके बाद हम क्या कर सकते हैं? What can we write? What after this? Anybody? 12 square into sigma k running from 1 to 12. So what would be the answer? Yeah, I have explained the whole most everything. तो इसको ही बस ये सिग्मा को हम ओपन करते हैं तो क्या होगा? Kanish and Milan, any idea? Kanish and Milan. ठीक है, I leave this as a homework. Try this as, because इधर से बहुत easy है तो इसीलिए मैंने नहीं समझा रहा हूँ. We'll do it this in the next class because try करो समझ में आएगा. इसको just expand करो. Once if you do the expansion, you'll definitely get it. Divya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Next question. The line x minus 2 upon 3 equals to y plus 1 upon 2 is equals to z minus 1 upon minus 1. Intersects the curve xy equals to c square, z is equals to 0 if c is equals to. So basically as it is intersecting, so we can just substitute the value of z equals to 0. So that is x minus 2 upon 3. Yes, yes, Pranay, it's correct. Sorry, Pranav. Yes, Pranay, it's correct. So basically, we just substitute the z value in the given line equation. So x minus 2 is equals to y plus 1 upon 2 is equals to plus 1. So x is equals to will be 3 plus 2 and y will be equals to 2 minus 1. So which will be 5 and 1. If you substitute xy equals to c square, so you just plug in the values. 5 times of 1 equals to c square. So c is equals to plus or minus root 5. Understood? Everybody understood? Divya?
Yes, sir, understood.
Next question. Any idea how to solve? Zero. Can you explain, Kanish? That's wrong. Divya, any idea how to solve?
सर आइडिया तो इतना ही है कि कोई ऐसा फंक्शन एफ एक्स को मैं डिफाइन करूं जिससे लिमिट्स का कोई असर ना पड़े, ताकि अगर हम उसको इंटीग्रेट करके लिमिट्स पुट भी करें तब भी हमें आंसर कोई इन्फिनिटी या माइनस इन्फिनिटी या कोई गंदा आंसर ना मिले और 1 मिले.
Suppose if I replace x with y minus 1 upon y, what will I be getting? what would I will be getting? मेरा dx क्या होगा? 1 plus 1 upon y square into dy. इसमें मैंने x को y minus 1 upon y से रिप्लेस करना. So I can write 1 is equals to minus infinity to infinity f of y minus 1 upon y into 1 plus 1 upon y square into dy. I can write. Can I write like this or not? Hello.
Yes, sir, we can write.
So now, can we write this as integral? So minus infinity. So as limits क्या होगा? What will be the limits here as we have changed, right? तो limits कैसे change होगा?
सर x को माइनस इन्फिनिटी पुट करके y की वैल्यू.
तो क्या होगा? What are the new limits?
सर वही माइनस इन्फिनिटी रहेगी इसकी और उसकी भी इन्फिनिटी रहेगी.
Infinity ही रहेगा. So now I can write this as f of y minus 1 upon y into dy plus integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of y minus 1 upon y into dy upon y square. Can we write like this?
यस सर.
इसके बाद क्या करेंगे? इसके बाद हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? प्रणव, प्रणव, मिलिंद एंड कनिश, व्हाट अबाउट यू? इसके बाद व्हाट कैन वी डू? Can you guys try this from here? I'll leave this. Okay, I'll give you a hint. Substitute z is equals to instead of minus 1 upon y, substitute z. Hello? Minus 1 upon y के जगह z substitute करो and then solve. You will be getting it. I'll move to the next question. Can you guys do this one? ABCD is a rhombus. The circumradii of triangle ABD and triangle ACD are 25 upon 2 and 25. Then the area of rhombus is. Any idea how to solve? Hello. Let's take a rhombus. A, B, C, and D. So what is the property of rhombus? What is the property of rhombus? The diagonals intersect perpendicularly, right? Hello? And they bisect each other. Suppose if this is X and this would be Y and Y. And if this is angle theta, this is also will be angle theta. So ये angle क्या होगा? What will be this angle? What is the angle ADC would be? Hello. Pi minus 2 theta, right? Hello. Divya.
Yes, sir.
इसके बाद हम क्या कर सकते हैं? ABCD is a rhombus and the circumradii of triangle ABD and triangle ACD are given, such as 25.2 and 25. Then the area of the rhombus. तो ABD का पता है और ACD का पता है. So in triangle ABD, if you apply sine rule, what would be the answer? Okay, I guess nobody has understood. Let's take a rhombus with a side AD, ABCD. Let's take this and let's take the triangle. Let's take the angle DAB as angle A. And what is the angle DAC would be? Let's make it smaller. What is DAC? Divya? Hello? Divya, can you hear me? If this angle is A, what would be this angle? It will be A upon 2. And with the sine rule, can we write dB is equals to 2 times sine A upon 2? Hello? Hello? And what is angle BAC now? Hey, BAC, man. And what would be the sine AC? Sorry, side AC. Kanish? If triangle DAB, if this is angle theta, and triangle DAC is theta upon 2, and the DB, the side DB is 2 times A into sine A upon 2, and the angle BAC will also be, what is the angle?